roughly halfway back to Prague at this point. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Another baking hot day, 31 degrees. We decided it was time to stop for refreshments and a bite to eat. And we noticed on the side of the road a sign advertising rest area, toilets and food. What we didn't expect was what we found. Look, it's a motorcycle shop, but there's more. It's a moto restaurant. Yeah, there were quite a few more bikes here when we got here. So yeah, basically a biker's cafe. Wait till you see what's inside. Well, here we are then, riding into Prague to return the BMW F650 GS. This is now the 7th day of riding it, and I've enjoyed every last moment of it except for the first couple of hours, which I spoke about in yesterday's film. Once I'd gotten used to the motorcycle, I very, very quickly became very enamoured of it. So much so that I have decided that I'm going to buy one quite soon. It really has been a lot of fun. We've covered quite a few thousand miles. I'm just having a look here now. I have to get the other screen up. But yeah, we've done about 1,600 miles. And it's been an absolutely fabulous week so far. Not a drop of rain. It's actually way too hot at the moment. Last time I looked it was 35 degrees. It's 35.5 degrees now. It really is baking hot. And at this point we're about 4 minutes away from the depot. We know that Radek, the guy who runs it, is already there waiting for us. And from the depot, once we've packed up our rucksacks again, we will be having a short walk to the underground station, and then we'll be jumping on the underground train into the centre of Prague, where we have a hotel room booked. We'll get checked in, we'll get showered, we'll get changed, and we'll be going out to have a few beers. The tickets for the train journey to Poland tomorrow are booked. 11:20, I think our train is, and it's about a 4-hour journey to get to Warsaw. We're going to Warsaw first. We'll have a couple of days there, and then we'll be getting a train up toward Gdansk, where we will be picking up the next rental motorcycle. Now then, I had hoped to be getting my hands on a Suzuki V-Strom. Sadly, that's not going to be possible. We probably should have booked this sooner, but having said that, we weren't entirely sure what the shape of the holiday was until we got into it. So anyway, we've essentially just got to take what's left, as it were, and there are 2 motorcycles left. And in the interests of suspense, I'm not going to tell you what we've rented. No, I'm not. I don't know, I'll ask the Murgatroyd. Murgatroyd, do you think I should tell the audience what we've rented out of Prague?
No.
No?
I think maybe they need to try and guess.
Maybe they need to try and guess. The Murgatroyd wants you to try and guess. Yes, okay then, we'll do that.
Gdansk, not Prague.
I said, did I say Prague? Oh, well, I've already told him it's Gdansk. Yes, so the rental out of Gdansk. Guess what it is. Go on, you'll never guess. You will be surprised though. Anyway, that's pretty much it for today's little film. Just a few minutes now of riding this magnificent motorcycle. And then it's 4 days off motorcycle. The Murgatroyd is quite pleased about that. I think she's due a rest. I, on the other hand, could ride this every day forever and never want a day off. So there we go. Thank you all for watching. A warm welcome to all of the new subscribers. There is, as I always say, a lot more to come. See you in the next one.